Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use motion blur in the CapCut app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the CapCut app, and here it usually opens up in the home menu where we have our projects. We have to select one that we want to work on. And here we have to tap on the clip that we want to edit. After we tapped on the clip, in the bottom bar, if we scroll to the right, we find motion blur, this little running man icon. If we tap on this, then we can set the blur and blend, the direction of the motion blur, and how many times we want it to be present in the video. So that's pretty much it for this. That's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.